Good morning everyone. Doing data analysis and creating graphs manually to check for performance progress can be time consuming. Even more annoying when you join your company and realize that you have to learn a new tech stack altogether and waste time on tutorials. So, I've created an application called SalesAnalyser with which you can do the same in less time. I have used IBM Granite's 3.3:8b model as the large language model and Granite Embedding 30M as the embedding model. For this, first you require a dataset you want to query on. I am using this dataset I found on Kaggle and modified based on my needs, showcasing products, sales, and customer information. I stored its information as a table in MySQL locally. It's better if you store your data on the cloud and connect to. You require another dataset that contains question SQL pairs like this to retrieve data via a RAG pipeline to my LLM. First, I start executing my code and the application UI opens on Microsoft Edge. Execution takes a while as my system has a 8 GB RAM, but should be fine if you have 32 GB or more. Finally, the page loads. Since I'm using a RAG pipeline, the success message pops up on the sidebar. You can see the total number of records from the database as well as some quick stats. Here are a bunch of example questions you can copy if you want to see how the system works. I'm gonna split my windows so that you can cross-check with the database if the answers are right or not. Now I'm going to start typing my first question. Show me the customers responsible for the most sales in 2025. Since the generation takes a while, I'm gonna speed up the process. As you can see, the AI generated Om Sharma as the answer. Let's cross-check with the CSV file to see if the value of total customer sales is the same or not. Since they are the same, we can confirm that the values given by the chatbot are correct. We also get a line graph generated showcasing the top 15 customers with profit in 2025 as well as insights on the extreme ends with values. We get the SQL table as well, which can be downloaded. Now I type the next question. Show me the product which made the most profit in 2025. While the code generates, I open a duplicate Excel sheet which contains an additional column called profit. Upon cross-checking, we see that the profits are the same as well as visualizations are generated. Based on the insights books, it's the 15th most profitable product. Let's cross-check with the file and see if that's true or not. Both profit values are the same. Therefore, this chatbot not only answers users' questions with natural language answers but also generates graphs. Thank you a lot for seeing the video. Bye!